Hey guys, this is one of the most common questions we get. What orientation do the washers and bushings go on shocks? This is the same for most shocks from Dobinsons, Bilstein, Fox, whatever, when it comes to the rear end, and even a lot of struts go together the same. Very straightforward. First thing is your regular washer goes on facing upwards. Then if your shocks come with a lipped washer, see that little lip right there? That goes on next. That goes right on there. Then this this washer matches the size of that lipped bushing. Now this goes up through the hole of your frame mount, or if you have a Land Cruiser 80 series, the mount goes over here right now. So this is what isolates this lipped washer and bushing, isolate the center of the stud from the strut mount or the shock mount so that nothing moves around. If this gets a chance to rub against that mount, it makes a squealing and a squeaking, and it's really bad. So after you got this up in your frame, you mount the bottom end first, put this up in the frame, you take your regular flat bushing, see, no lip, top or bottom, that goes on there on top of the frame, then your regular flat washer on top of that, and then your nut. And in general, you tighten the bushings down until they're about the same width as the washers. You see the gap there, and it's that simple, guys. You really just have to follow the same orientation that the factory bushings and washers were in, because that's how Dobinsons do it. They basically copy it. Now, one other thing, some shocks do come with a lipped washer, a lipped bushing on top and bottom. So in that case, let's pretend that this was another matching bushing. You would go lipped bushing to lipped bushing with no metal, like Land Cruiser 100 series fronts, and some others do this. So you would put two lips together. I think even the Tacoma rear end does that. And then another, you would have your bushing on there, and then your washer, and then your nut. So in that case, you would have lipped bushing facing each other, and that's what's going to isolate it in the frame mount. Check the exitoffroad.com/instructions page for detailed breakdowns of anything non-standard, but this is the most standard way that washers and bushings go onto a shock for installation. Washer, bushing with the lip up through the frame. After you put on the, I call that a locating washer because it's got the lip on there. Then your bushing, then your washer, then your nut. Whoops. Your frame is in between here, okay? That's what balances it, in between the top and the bottom of the mount, and your frame does not want to touch that yellow part right